Hey YouTube, so we are here testing our W126 V8 airflow meter boot and flange. This is a brand new Mercedes airflow meter boot and a new flange, which they recommend that you get a flange, a new one, when you're installing a new boot. So I want to see and make sure that this thing is not leaking anywhere. So I put some tape out here just to put my hose for my smoke machine over there. That's about as good as I'm going to get it. And then put two hoses where the openings are so they don't escape air. This setup here is to test the integrity and make sure that there isn't any smoke coming out. So you can see that there's smoke leaking out of here, which is okay. We want smoke coming out of here, but not out of these areas here. Let's go through the test. Okay, so we got so it's okay, we can get a little bit of smoke coming out of that guy there because we know that's where it's taped off, but the rest of it, that's probably coming from here. This will have a band clamp on it, so that's okay to get a little bit out here. The main areas is this seal here. That has to be totally 100% airtight so you don't get any vacuum leaks, which looks like it's pretty good. Let's try the smoke, see if there's any smoke coming out of the bottom or on the sides. And here's a look at the little homemade smoke machine there. And I got it hooked up to my compressor here with this guy. Looks like it's like 1/4 inch in diameter tubing I got hooked on there. And just to any air compressor, I got a shop compressor here. Not the biggest one in the world. Anyway, so that's it. If you guys want to test out your W126 V8 gas airflow meter boot, this is the way to do it. Thank you.